Hi, I'm Nick Tamble. In today's landscape segment, we're going to be talking about water features. Now, a water feature like this with a 7-foot falls can be a very expensive install. Today, we're going to show you a Basalt Bubbler that's going to be a lot more modified, much more cost effective, still give you the noise of a nice water feature. We've selected our site for the water feature. As you can see over my shoulder, Anthony's prepping the area for the water feature. He's building a basin for the basalt column to go into, and now we're going to show you the components that put it all together. For our Basalt Bubbler, the fittings needed are pretty simple. First, we have the pump, which is going to connect into an 1.5-inch tubing. We're going to secure that with hose clamps, and in between the tubing we're going to have a ball valve that's going to control our flow. Now, before we put the liner in, we're going to put down an underlayment. This is going to protect the liner from any hard surfaces underneath. This liner will go in just the same as the underlayment. We're going to get all of our seams down in the bottom. Basalt is one of the heaviest rocks on Earth. For 1 cubic foot, it weighs 220 pounds. Through that hole, we're going to feed the tubing on the back side, and that's going to be our source for the water. All right, it's time to set the bubbler. Give me a hand. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's a good thing we have about 6 layers of this fabric here, because we have 300 pounds going on this point right on the liner. We have the piece of basalt soft set here. Our biggest concern is to make sure that we have water coming down the front side of the rock. All right, turn it on. As you see, we're pumping out about 1 inch above the column, which is okay. We don't need to have this coming out like Old Faithful. The motion of the water coming off the rock is going to provide the interest. So we're going to be able to adjust this rock a little bit more, and instead of having the water come off of this corner side over here, get it more off of the face. Okay, the bubbler is positioned where we want it to go. Most of the water is coming off of this face, and this is giving us our noise right here. What's left to do is fit our flat stone around this area, trim off the liner, and that'll be a wrap. A full-size pond and waterfall sure is beautiful, but lots of maintenance. Today we've installed a Basalt Bubbler, a fraction of the maintenance and cost. As you can see, underneath this rock we have our pump, so in the fall all you need to do is disconnect the pump and you're done. With the rock covering the water level here, it makes it kid safe, and with the addition of a couple little ground covers, makes this job finish up real nice. Along with Anthony, I'm Nick Tamble. Thanks for watching.